Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over your annual scheduling checkup. Summer is a great time to give your office scheduling a checkup. Are you getting the most out of your Office Tracker system? There are some settings you can adjust from your Office Tracker admin page that can make your scheduling experience the best that it can be. Can everyone see and share up-to-the-minute schedule information no matter where they are located? Does your system currently email or text reminders automatically? With Office Tracker, you can do all of this and more. You may want to start by reviewing which features you have set up for your users. Are you using the email and text reminders? Have you set up your custom email templates? Do you have a current list of labels set up? Have you created keywords, categories, or custom fields? Are you utilizing the Contact Manager? This is a good time to double check your users' sharing privileges settings. These are all easy ways to give added functionality to your daily scheduling. This is also a good time to make sure your backups are set appropriately. Click on the Recent Backups tab to verify how often your system has been backing up. You may also want to consider deleting outdated information if you've been using the system for a number of years. Deleting outdated information can help to ensure your Office Tracker system performs to its best ability. It is a good idea to review and fine-tune your scheduling systems at least once a year to ensure you're getting the most out of your Office Tracker system. If you would like additional information about any of the features we discussed today, please go to our Office Tracker YouTube channel to locate the video tutorial for that specific feature. You may also contact your sales rep for assistance. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!